Looking for a reliable, stylish kitchen faucet? Kohler offers some of the best options on the market. In this video, we're counting down the top Kohler kitchen faucets that combine design, performance, and everyday convenience. Let's start the list. Number 5. Kohler 99259-VS Artifacts Kitchen Faucet. The Artifacts collection brings classic design with a modern touch. This faucet features a high-arch spout with a vintage-style lever handle. It's ideal for traditional and transitional kitchens. This is a pull-down kitchen faucet designed for everyday tasks. Customer rating, 4.5 out of 5. Click the link in the description for more details. Number 4. Kohler KR10651-SD-VS Seuss Kitchen Faucet. Inspired by professional restaurant kitchens, the Seuss faucet offers strong performance. It has a high-arch spout with an exposed spring for flexibility and control, perfect for heavy cooking and cleaning tasks. Designed to bring a professional feel into home kitchens. Customer rating, 4.7 out of 5. Click the link in the description to check the price. Number 3. Kohler K560-VS Balera Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. This faucet combines a sleek look with smart functionality. The high-arch spout rotates 360 degrees for full sink coverage. Its 3-function pull-down spray head is great for close-up cleaning and filling pots. A strong choice for modern kitchens. Customer rating, 4.5 out of 5. Link is available in the description. Number 2. Kohler K29106-VS Balera Pull-Down Sprayer Faucet. This model is made from durable metal for long-term use. It comes in vibrant stainless steel, with options for chrome and oil-rubbed bronze. It supports both 1-hole and 3-hole installation and includes an escutcheon plate. A balanced mix of style and durability. Customer rating, 4.5 out of 5. Click the link in the description to learn more. Number 1. Kohler 596-VS Simplest 3-Spray Kitchen Faucet. The Simplest faucet offers a universal design with excellent ergonomics. Its high-arch swing spout rotates 360 degrees for maximum reach. The pull-down spray head moves smoothly for sink cleaning or pot filling. A perfect fit for a wide range of kitchen styles and tasks. Customer rating, 4.5 out of 5. Check the description link for full details. These are some of the best Kohler kitchen faucets available right now. Each model offers a unique balance of design, performance, and reliability. Let us know in the comments which one you like the most. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more kitchen and home improvement content.